I've been building drones since 2007, and since then I knew that I wanted to create a drone that was waterproof.
We made a waterproof drone with all the sophisticated features that allow you to take beautiful shots and remove the fear of flying over water. The splash drone is rugged, easy to fly, and has timeless features that make it a blast. We put months into making sure that the features don't add complexity during flight. The splash drone can be flown by anyone, from a phone or the included remote control. Ease of use was at the core of every added feature. We think that you shouldn't have to be an expert to allow your creativity to expand. The idea is to remove the barriers and allow you to lose the fear of flying in different conditions, including flying over water.
What we want to do is a waterproof drone, a splash drone for all people.
We already make a quadcopter that's waterproof, but it doesn't have the features that make it a real drone. So we've added a waterproof camera gimbal, an integrated video transmitter, and a live video feed directly from the GoPro. By displaying location, battery voltage, altitude, and distance right on the remote, you'll always know where the splash drone is and how it's doing. We wanted to make it practical, so we added an emergency flare adapter that allows you to deploy an emergency flare for 15 minutes rather than 15 seconds. Its payload release mechanism is not only fun, but can be used in emergency situations. The splash drone has autonomous functions like follow me mode, plan mission flights, and return to launch location at the flip of a switch. We put a lot of work, time, and energy into the tooling and injection molding process. With your help, we can make the splash drone a reality.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.
We love drones. They can have cameras, sensors, and conquer the skies. So what's there to improve? At MakeKit, we love to tinker, develop, and even program things. So we made Airbit, the world's first microbit drone. The kit lets you build, modify, and even code your own drone. And with the MakeCode platform, that's easier than ever. Let's hear from the expert.
I'm Henning, the creator of Airbit. I discovered the microbit a few years ago. It was really easy to get started with and it had a great radio, so I decided to make a drone for it. This way anyone can build, design and program their own quadcopter. You can control it with another microbit or use your app. It's all open source, so you can make your own code with the Microsoft MakeCode platform, or you can even make your own app with the MIT App Inventor platform. We also include connections for servos, cameras and various sensors. Here's an FPV camera and here's an ultrasonic distance sensor. If you own a 3D printer, you can download and print this frame or design your own.
We can't wait to see what you create. Visit airbit.no for more information. MakeKit, time to build.
Bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. 2 years ago, we took you exploring with Gladius, a campaign that resulted in over 1,600% funding and 100% delivered to backers. From there, we successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again with its small size, premium features, and surprisingly low price point. Dory connects the aquatic world to the masses, so serious adventurers and fun seekers can explore both in and out of the water. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. You may wonder, who was Dory made for? Well, lots of people. The person who loves bringing technology and family together. Dory makes it easy for anyone to use, even kids. And of course, adventure seekers are all about Dory. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. We, at Chasing, are enormously proud of the technologies packed into this small form factor and the features and benefits they provide. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with two built-in 250 lumen lights, you can find and capture exactly what you're looking for. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video, and its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. We focused on the end-user experience first. So, unlike other underwater drones, you only need to charge the dory itself, not the Wi-Fi buoy or a remote. This means less time spent charging and more time exploring. Dory is packed with technology designed to guide and enhance your experience. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. That's what makes Dory unique. With your pledge, you'll receive the drone, tether, Wi-Fi buoy, and charger. We even created an optional waterproof Dory backpack with customized internal compartments. Its unique shape, quality materials, and waterproof zipper perfectly match the attention to detail given to its cargo. Earth's last frontier is no longer uncharted territory. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.